another day, another garage, eh? New sill. Right. New section of the sill. Lined up roughly, but quite good. Still a load of faffery that needs to happen, but you're gonna tack it in and then see if you can massage it into place. Alright, face on.
Any ideas?
Now let's get to this weird back bit. So yeah, this is a lot more faffery here. That seems to line up okay.
About 4 mil.
Any ideas?
So yeah, this is coming closer and closer here. That's not bad, that's not bad. And it still has a bit of flex in it for you to play with.
Yeah.
But yeah, have a little play with it. We shall return.
Any ideas? Any ideas?
Okay, this is after some faffery. It's tacked in. Everything lines up pretty nicely. All this top edge still got loads of flex in it because when that was cut out, everything just became floppy. Weep weep. But that lines up okay. Yep. Is it holding it down?
Yeah. There's just so much flex in the hole.
Any ideas?
Nice. Right, there's a million and one things to weld on this bloody car. I keep getting carried away with just getting scared by all the rusty bits that I keep cutting out. But we'll just concentrate on one thing at a time. Floor. I'm gonna attempt to make a template. One step at a time.
Any ideas? Any ideas?
This looks like an absolute mess, but whatever. So what I'm trying to do, this section where loads of panels meet, I'm just trying to replace it with one sheet. I've made up a template, so roughly you get the gist. But before I do anything, all of these little gaps and things, they all still have rust in them, so that sucks. But what I've done is I've cleaned it up really well, as far as I can in there, with all little wire wheels and whatever other type of rubbish. But I'm gonna rust treat it, leave that overnight. Whilst that's happening, actually cut a piece of metal to make up the rest of this floor, and then yeah, and take it from there, and then we'll see how we get on. Don't really know what the hell I'm doing, but I guess you gotta try.
Any ideas? Any ideas? Any ideas?
So, after faffing about, this is very rough. I've made a few mistakes and stuff, but this is roughly what I'm going for. This whole floor is warped and bent and just weird, so a lot of these areas will need flattening off, and this will still need trimming and stuff. But as far as my like basic rough idea, all of this will be flattened out here. This will all calm down and I'll trim everything up. But as a rough idea, some of these gaps are going to be a little bit big to weld, but I think it's all doable. For a very rough shape so far, that's a rough idea. This needs work.